How to bookmark a website in Microsoft Edge. Hello everybody, if you guys are wondering how, you may follow up the simple steps in order to do so. So open up your Microsoft Edge, and once you are there, you can go ahead and open up your preferred website. For example, youtube.com, you can just go ahead and open it up that you would like to bookmark or add to favorites. So once you have opened it up, you can directly go ahead and look out for the three dot at the top, click on it, and then from here you can head over to settings and look for favorites option. Or if you can't find it here, you can directly look out for the three dot again and look out for the favorites directly from there. We have this one right here. You can directly click CTRL plus shift plus IO and it will opens up. So here it will show you your favorite parts. All you gotta do is simply click on the star icon of your preferred browser, your website. After that, click on your favorites bar and then click on done. And once that is done, it has been saved. In order to view it, you can click on three dots and look out for your favorites. And there you go. When you drop it down, you should be finding your favorite browser website on your Edge browser. So that is how you basically bookmark a website on Edge. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we will see you on another video.